Hi there YouTube, this is Luke Sky, my new name, with Aaron Camo here. And today we're unboxing a new Bluetooth keyboard I got for me to do a project on. Basically, it was $30 at Best Buy. It was the last one at my Best Buy. It's the Logitech k480. And we're going to be using it on this little Amazon Kindle. That was like 35 bucks too, on sale during Christmas. Alright, let's unbox this. Ho ho ho. So right away, you can see very nice keys. Lift that up, and that's actually it. A little user manual, I guess, or like warranty information, and that's really all that I'm seeing here in this box. Yep. I guess the keyboard is all, basically. Slide that out of the packaging. And there we are. Nice matte black finish. I think this just comes right off. Yep. Probably should have read it first. I'll just stick it on the box, I guess. Okay. Now, I didn't see any instructions or anything, but I see a little tab here, so I'm assuming this is like, that's where the batteries are. And when you pull out this tab, because there's batteries, it comes with batteries. This is also, hey, just had a green light come on. I've seen this on Amazon for $30, but you have to have Prime to order it, so I suggest getting it from Best Buy. But at Walmart, it's like it's more money. It's like $50, I think. So it's an interesting design. We'll give that to them. Okay, so here is our, I'm assuming, on and off switch. That's the on switch, I think. I don't really know. Oh, the glue got a little weird there. You can see the tablet goes in there nicely. It's not gonna like fall out of this little thing right here. But we're gonna see if we can get this all paired up and get it working. You wanna turn the phone a little bit like that? There we go. Right. So I'm assuming it's gonna be on the fire. Can you see the fire? Zoom in on the fire for now, cause or just like, yeah, alright. So here I am in the settings under Bluetooth, and I'm gonna pair a Bluetooth device, and we'll see what shows up here. It's right now scanning. I think it's should be good. No devices found. I'm gonna scan again.
Is there a pair button on it?
That's a good question. When I turned it on, it doesn't stay on for very long. I see the light come on, the back there, and then it goes off after a little bit. I'm clicking the I and stuff. I'm not getting anything. I'll just read I'll see if there's instructions or something, because I'm not seeing anything. I'm surprised there's no like quick start guide or anything. Alright, it said on that thing that I took off. Oh, okay. The thing I took off has the instructions. So first, of course I didn't even look at them. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna click the PC one. I don't know if you guys can see that on step 3. Hold down the PC one for 3 seconds. So I'll use them back out. Alright. So I'm thinking that makes it discoverable. So right here, this PC button. I'm gonna hold that down. And there we go. Now it's blinking. It was so simple, yet I didn't even look. There it is. It actually just showed up there. 34 something, 3488 5D. Pair it. Pairing. Bluetooth pairing request. Pairing code. Type the pairing code and then press return or enter. Oh, I'm supposed to type it into this keyboard. Yep. Alright. So 4 3 4 0 6 1.
Enter.
Enter. Wow. Simple as that. Simply typed it in and it seems like it's good to go.
Connected. Now
So
go
let's...
to notes.
Oh yeah. Do I have a notes?
Pretty sure
Maybe I have...
everything has a notes.
You would think.
Just search. Just search and type.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Alright, so zoom out again. Alright, so here we are with our Bluetooth keyboard. We're going to say, hey, YouTube. Enter. And it searches it. Now...
There's no mouse.
Right, yeah, there's no mouse. So that the touchscreen's the mouse.
Yeah.
So, I can confirm that it works. I don't know how long it'll be working. Okay, I'll get back to you guys on how well it works, but that's a quick unboxing and a quick setup. If I had just read the instructions that were on the keyboard itself, they were like plastered right here, then I would have gotten everything I need to know out of it. So, yep. So I compare this to my phone, I compare it to here, so I could have my phone and this. I mean, it's a nifty little thing. I'm using it because I gotta type up a history essay. You think that'll be pretty good for typing up an essay?
I
mean, like,
you could put it off to the side of you.
I think the home buttons actually
typing.
work. Yeah, that's another cool thing. Alright, look at the keyboard quick. Here you have your home button, and you type it and you'll actually go home. So just zoom out a little bit. Can you zoom out? Okay, there we go. So if I click the multitasking key, it brings up the multitasking tray, and it goes back to the app. Hit the home button, goes home. I think this is a menu button, back button, search button, which doesn't do anything, I guess. There's play, pause, skip.
You typed a 6.
I did type a 6.
Because you typed
There's
search.
volume. It'll actually mute the volume from here, and you can up the volume. If for some reason it's playing a song.
What the heck is that?
I don't even know. Huh. Can I skip? Oh yeah.
It's my jam.
I don't want to get copyrighted though. But it's that simple, guys. Like, it really is that simple. And then I could just pause by hitting it. Don't even have to touch the screen. If I want to go home, click home. I go home. Really nifty keyboard. It'll work with Mac, PC, iOS, Android, even I want to say it said Chromebooks too. I don't really know why you'd use it for a Chromebook, but
a Chromebook already has a keyboard.
Right.
What a dingus.
Yeah, I don't know. If you hit the start button, I wonder.
It
brings up Google search if you hit the start button. The alt button, I don't know what the heck that did. I'll be like trying this out. The keyboard's pretty basic. You hit escape, it takes you out of the app. That's pretty cool. So if I go in the browser, right, and then I hit escape, I'm assuming it's gonna just go back to home, which is the same thing as hitting the home button. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You want me to type a quick document? I know I'm gonna wrap this up. We'll go into docs. I don't know what's in here. Privacy. Alright, I'll just add a document.
I wonder why it's empty.
Just like your soul.
I ain't a ginger.
Alright. 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 Whoops. That was just because I wasn't paying attention. What's today?
The 21st. 22nd.
24th, right?
22nd.
23rd.
23rd.
You're wrong.
You're wrong.
That was a mistake. I think if you get used to this keyboard, you'll make it pretty easy. Alright. Ooh. Today was a fun day. Tomorrow. I really spelled tomorrow wrong. Select. Spelling? There's no spelling. There's no spelling. Review?
That's why I was $30.
Spell check. No, there's a spell check. Tomorrow. Wait, why isn't it letting me change it? Okay, whatever. Oh, and then replace. Wow, okay. I am going away. by. I could do my outro in this. This keyboard, I would say, is very
$1.
No,
Ish.
it's a $30 keyboard. It feels nice. It'll feel good in my lap. Sorry about that.
It's falling asleep.
Shift key works. Oh, what the heck? All the signs work. Percentage and your brackets work. Plus works. Dashes. Underscores. Everything works.
Luke, stop swearing.
It feels really. It feels really good. Well, something like. Why don't you type? Give me your impressions. We're gonna get the impressions of Aaron Camo. Yeah. All right. So you're here, right? And you're just typing. What do you think? You didn't spell it right. Yeah, go back. Okay. And. Incorrect grammar. I'm doing all this without touching the screen, too. Hey, this is going on YouTube.
What are you talking about? I'm not swearing. You mother trucker.
Okay. Alright, so that's it for this video. That was a look at the Logitech. What was this? Logitech k480. So go pick it up in a store near you. It's Luke Sky approved.